So the Google Pixel 10 is slated for release later this year, and ahead of its official debut, leaks are already hinting at one of its most significant upgrades, a brand new AI assistant known as Pixel Sense. According to a report from Android Authority, Pixel Sense is designed to function as a highly contextual AI assistant, aiming to elevate the user experience by leveraging on-device processing to deliver both faster performance and enhanced privacy. Google itself reportedly described the assistant as delivering the most personalized experience based on the things you do on your Pixel, underscoring its focus on adapting to individual usage patterns. This isn't the first time whispers of an AI-powered assistant for Pixel devices have surfaced. Back in 2023, a separate report revealed that Google was actively developing a new AI assistant after the underwhelming reception of the At a Glance feature. However, that earlier project carried a different codename, Pixie. The 2023 leaks described Pixie as a Pixel-exclusive digital assistant capable of pulling contextual data from various Google services directly on the device, essentially creating a more tailored and proactive alternative to Google Assistant. Citing inside sources, Android Authority's report claims that Pixel Sense will integrate tightly with a wide range of Google apps pre-installed on Pixel 10 devices. This includes Calendar, Chrome, Files, Gmail, Google Docs, Keep, Maps, Messages, Photos, Wallet, Phone, Recorder, YouTube, and YouTube Music. Interestingly, it will also draw data from an unreleased app currently referred to internally as Aurelius, though the exact role of this mystery app remains unclear. At launch, Pixel Sense is not expected to work with third-party apps, but it will have full access to on-device content, such as files, screenshots, images, and text. By analyzing this data locally, Pixel Sense will generate context-sensitive suggestions, surfacing relevant places, products, names, and more directly when needed. One of its defining attributes is its ability to continuously learn from user behavior over time, gradually refining its recommendations to better match evolving preferences. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Pixel Sense? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.